There has been anxiety over the fate of CDF after a bench of 5 judges termed as unconstitutional the 2013 Act, noting that it violated the principle of separation of powers.
For the toilets?
According to NCDF CEO Yusuf Mbona, noted that the government agency was operational with the funds for this year's financial year.
Supreme Court never termed national government CDF as unconstitutional. What happened is that there has been a pending matter in the court. In 2015, the High Court pronounced the then CDF Act of 2013 as unconstitutional. And the court gave the government a period of 12 months to correct the anomaly, which was done through the enactment of the current National Government Constituency Development Fund Act of 2015. And that is the act through which we are operating now.
He added that the matter in the Supreme Court was not on the 2015 Act, but the older Act, adding that the funds is active and available all over the country.
I can confirm that that matter in the Supreme Court was not about the 2015 Act, but the old Act. So the fund is alive, and that's why we are here in Doroton, Second School Naivasha. We are monitoring the projects financed by the government through the National Government CDF. For the current financial year that is just started, that is the 2022-2023 financial year, the allocation has increased.
The CEO said this year's funds will be shared based on the number of wards per constituency, unlike in the past where each got 135 million, like it has been the norm.
We had an amendment to the National Government CDF Act, which was passed before the end of the last parliamentary term, and that's ushered in some new changes. Previously, the funds allocated to the fund were allocated to constituencies in equal proportion. But following an assessment, it was realized that constituencies have different needs, and some constituencies are smaller than others. Population is also different, and therefore now the new Amendment Act has ushered in some change that from the current financial year, that is 2022-2023 financial year going forward, the annual allocation shall be shared to constituencies based on the number of wards.
The school principal, Maina Kawara, noting that in the past they had to walk to a nearby school for lab classes. His sentiments were echoed by Anne Wangui, noting that in the past students had to walk even at night to the neighboring schools and it was risky for them.
Kuna shule jirani lakini ni mbali kama 5 kilometers. Kuna challenge moja kwa hii shule, challenge ya lab. So inabidi tuende kwa shule jirani kufanya mambo ya practicals. Lakini vile wakubwa wamekuja, nafikiri tutaangaliwa.
Kabla tuanze hii shule, watoto wetu walikuwa wanatembea safari mrefu sana kwenda kupata masomo kwa shule ziko kwa ubari. Na wakati tulipewa hizi madarasa na CDF, tukashukuru sababu watoto wetu sasa wanapata masomo kama hawatembei kwa safari mrefu. Wanatembea usiku, wanatakikana wafike huku mapema, wanatembea usiku, wanapita kwa kichaka, na ilikuwa ni risk sana.